It matches the one Hannah found at the masquerade ball.
You know what they say, if the feather fits.
Hannah, it's the shoe. If the shoe fits.
Whatever. Melissa's A.
Guys, I know that she looks suspicious, okay, but we're still just guessing.
Well, it's a guess I'm willing to take.
Me too.
Fine, I'll go back to Philly.
You're not going alone.
Yeah, if Melissa is who we think she is, then she's dangerous.
Like, probably had something to do with Allie's murder dangerous.
Look, she's not just trying to hurt you, Spence. She's after all of us.
Well, Em gets off at 8, so pick her up and then we'll all go together.